Hi friends, this video shows how to remove the wrist strap of MetaQuest 3 controllers. See, I will show you how to remove this wrist strap. So first we have to find the battery cover. So this is the battery cover of this MetaQuest controller. MetaQuest has provided a button to release this battery cover. So we can remove this battery cover using this release button. Just press this button, then we can take off this cover, and then let me check the bottom. Let me focus. See here, we can take off this strap like this. See, this is very easy. Let me put it back. So this way we can take off and on wrist strap. Okay, so let me close this cover. We can place this cover like this, then push. We will hear a tick sound. Done. Okay, so this way we can remove the wrist strap of MetaQuest 3 controller. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.